Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do something a little different that I don't do that much of. I've done a few videos on some YouTube advice, previously last year, or so. But today I want to go over some advice for you. If you want to listen. I know my channel's small, but I do have some YouTube advice for you. Don't be like me. That's the first advice. All right. And I'll go over some of that with you, why you don't want to be like me. If you want to make YouTube, if you want to make it in YouTube, I should say. I do this for fun. Yes, it'd be great if I was monetized, but I'm at whatever. I think I'm at 420 as I'm making this video, subscribers. I would love to get this monetized so I can make a few bucks, and I really mean a few bucks. This is my second channel, of course. I have another channel, it's a motorcycle channel that is monetized, but I'm sitting at like 1,790 subscribers, so I may make 50 bucks a month. And of course, you don't get paid out until you make 100. So it takes me 2 months or more. Sometimes it depends. Wintertime's slow for motorcycle riding for me. So on that channel, 2 to 3 months, I'll get a paycheck of a little over $100. Okay. So on this channel though, advice number one, right? Don't be like me on this channel, you need a niche. You need some kind of subject matter that you can continually talk about throughout your, channel career. Some kind of niche. My channel is all over the place. The basic thing for my channel is, just living life. I'm just living my life. So that is my niche. I try to do a lot of things outdoors on this channel, but there are some videos I do inside, because it's whatever I'm doing, at that day. So this channel is broad spectrum. So YouTube analytics doesn't know where to put my videos out to because I talk about multiple different things. I talk about camping. I talk about YouTube advice like I'm doing right now. I talk about my truck accessories. I talk about e-bikes and e-bike stuff. I talk about home repairs. I talk about lawn and garden. So I do a wide range of stuff. So that's why I'm still stuck 420 subscribers after, I don't know, going on 2 years with this channel, I think. I don't remember the exact how long I've been doing it, but it's taken me a while. But I want to just clarify my niche is me. I'm the niche. I'm doing whatever I'm doing. It's my life. Just living life. Okay? Number two, be consistent with and it's not just putting out your videos on the same time, the same days, which you should do, but it's also be consistent with your content, which I'm not. I'm not on either, just like I went over, niche, all right? So you gotta be consistent with your content. You gotta be consistent with uploading your videos. If you're gonna do it once a week on Sundays, do it once a week on Sundays at a certain time. I try to put out once a week. If I don't, I don't. I've switched which days I've done it over the lifespan of this channel so far. I've done it like, I don't remember, like Wednesdays and Saturdays. Now I'm putting them out on Sundays. I've switched the times, so I'm all over the place. So don't be like me. Let's see, number three, have fun. If it ain't fun, why are you doing it? Don't worry about everything, Just put out your videos and see how it goes. Number four, you don't need the greatest equipment. You can start with your cell phone. That's what I started with. And now my equipment's simple. I have a DJI Mic 2, just a transmitter, and an Action 4. And Action 4s you can pick up on Amazon real cheap now. It's great quality. That's all I use. 5, don't worry about the analytics and don't be getting swept up in, oh man, how many subscribers do I got? How many views do I got? How many likes? Don't worry about it. Just put your videos out and let it do what it's doing, you know? Don't obsess over everything. You'll get there eventually. Hopefully I will. You know, I get my few subscribers here and there. I'm in it for the long haul, so, you know, YouTube is hard. Yes, there are random people out there that hit right off the bat, but not every video is gonna, you know, hit off the bat either if you do hit it. Like I said, you know, my other channel, I think it took me 3 years to be monetized, you know, and I'm only making 50 bucks a month, around there, 50, 60 bucks a month, sometimes 30. You got to be in it for the long haul if you enjoy it. Just put your videos out. Anyway, I don't know. I'm not great at YouTube advice. I just thought I'd give it a try. Again, you know, like I said before, I put out a few others before. And another thing, I just wanted to reiterate this on this too. Be authentic. Just be yourself. Don't make up a persona. Just be yourself. People are looking for videos with real people. They don't want fake people. You know, I try to be, you know, my videos ain't the best. So that's what you get. I'm not, you know, I try to improve here and there, but you know, hey, like if I'm doing a review video or I may forget stuff, I may not go over specs, you know, of certain things. If I'm doing how to do something, I do things my way. It may not be the proper way, but I'm just doing it my way. You know, like if I do how-to videos. Just be yourself, have fun with it, and see how it goes. Eventually, you know, you may have some videos pop off, and you may not. But you just got to be in it for the long haul and just be yourself and have fun with it. And that's it. That's all I can give you for advice. Anyway, I just wanted to try this out. And yeah. Yeah, I don't even know how to end it. See? Look, you know, if you stumble, you stumble. Just keep doing what you're doing. But anyway, end of today's video. If you're not a subscriber, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see some more of my content, you never know what video is gonna be the next one. You never know. I'm all over the place. Check out the next one up here. We'll see you later. Peace.